What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Monday, December 7th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I'm coming to you this morning, not sure if I'm going to trade today. I'm on day 12 with COVID, and I have not been feeling great. I feel pretty good in the mornings, so it gives me time to get a few things done around here, and then by the evenings, or by lunch, I'm completely wiped out. What I wanted to do today was just kind of go through things together. I miss you, maybe you miss me, I don't know, but let's go through some things together. So let's talk a little bit about the daily chart, and I'm gonna pull this back. Now, last week right here, I said it looks like more up. It did pull down just a little bit and then poof, just right to the upside like we anticipated. So let's talk a little bit about what we're looking at here. The MACDs are still outside the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands are really, really tight and close together, which means that we could definitely pop down and break through the Bollinger Bands and pull back to the areas here. I think we should see something more along the lines of a really defined reversal bar, almost like this one, but more something along the lines of something like this, that we'll see a nice big strong push up and then a big push down. Now, we have seen this hang out just a little bit and then come back down. Maybe we'll see something along the lines of that. What we really like to see is a nice deep separation between the EMAs and the price. So we don't really see much of a change here. It's really just very on point with continuation up. I'm not saying that it's good. It's kind of hard to read here, guys. We're at that 60% area in the MACDs, which is a highly coveted space. And this is a space that we turn around at often. So you can see it pulls up here and hits it. That 40 to 60 area is an area we usually see push back down. Now, the difference is we've had a lot of high volatile moves. So when that happens, we've gone way past that normal area that we would consider a bounce. So do we expect it to push back down here? I want to say not quite yet. We still have the BBs working their way to the upside. We had a strong move. We did not even reach that bottom Bollinger Band. I really think we're going to see more up. What do we got going on for the news this week? We do have a class going on, and Jason's actually going to run that class for me. It's going to be Wednesday. I'm just not feeling great, and it's really hard for me to be focused by that point. As we're looking at news this week, we have something on Tuesday, but it's at 6 when we will not be trading. We do have some news on Wednesday that we want to be aware of that's going to be during market open. Everything else is going to be before or after market. Now, we can come here and we can change the filters. So if you want to see more of the medium impact, you can apply that and you can come here and see what's happening with that medium impact as well. So it does give us a little bit more to look at with the medium impact, just if you really, really want to be aware of news. So just keep that in mind. You can change it to whatever you want to look at there. Okay, guys, so let's just take a quick look at what is going on. And I want to look mostly really, really quick at the larger tick chart. We can see here when we look at the 10946 what is going on, guys. We keep pulling down to that EMA and just bouncing off of it. The MACDs have been leading lower and lower every time, so we definitely have divergence going on between the price and the MACDs. So every time this leads lower, it's making it tougher and tougher and tougher for this price to really just give us a strong push through. So we can see that it's pulled down to those areas, which does show as an overrun on our bigger areas, but it's that nice big V pivot, and we do have these beautiful areas that it's just nestled into and given us nice little areas to anticipate the bounce. Sometimes it hangs out there for a little bit, but definitely still doing its job. So, for the long run for today, or for the overall right now, I would still anticipate it to go up. Am I looking for it to just shoot straight up? No, it's probably going to be a little bit of struggle to get there. So that is going to be that. I don't know when I'm going to be back. Today is day 12 of being in this COVID game, and it's exhausting. So I'm ready to get back with y'all. I miss y'all. December's not really the time of month, the time of year to be trading, but it is what it is. So I am gonna see if I can get anything rolling today. The market opens in 15 minutes. It is what it is. Either it's gonna happen or it's not. I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna see how I feel, and then we're just gonna roll with it from there. So maybe you'll see another video from me today, maybe not, but either way it goes, guys. I miss you, I love you, and as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love spending time with you, so please like and subscribe. Also, if you want to spend a little more time with me, head on over to www.responsibledaytrading.com, click on the Start Your Free Course and Learn How to Get Funded button, and set up a time to talk with one of our traders. And before you know it, we'll be spending a lot of time together.